ChemCat, your friendly chemistry tutor.
Here is the complete review of ChemCat's official Quiz 1, which is part of ChemCat's Exam Week 1 series. Question 1. The valence electrons of an element can be found by looking at its group number in the periodic table. There are 8 vertical groups because we skipped the transition metals. Since antimony is in group 15, it has 5 valence electrons. Question 2. This is also based on the periodic table. The atomic number refers to the identity of an element, and protons are what determine the atomic number. Question 3. First, let's think about which intermolecular forces are formed by both of these molecules. Amongst others, the most obvious one here is hydrogen bonding, right? The oxygen in water is way more electronegative than the nitrogen in ammonia, meaning it's polar. So, oxygen pulls all the electron density towards itself, making the hydrogen feel very electron poor. So, it is enticed by the other oxygens and other water molecules, forming hydrogen bonds with them. Therefore, water forms stronger hydrogen bonds than ammonia. Question 4. A partial charge is formed when electron density is pulled towards one atom, giving it a partial negative charge, leaving the other atom to feel electron poor, giving it a partial positive charge. This creates a dipole moment, making the molecule polar. Since we are talking about a bond within the molecule itself, this is covalent and polar. Question 5. Carbon here has 4 valence electrons, 0 lone pairs, and it forms 4 bonds, equaling its formal charge to be 0. Question 6. 4 electron domains means the electron geometry is tetrahedral. Because the electron geometry does not discriminate against lone pairs. Since molecular geometry does, it will ignore that lone pair and be called trigonal pyramidal. If you check out ChemCat's VSEPR Theory chart, our molecule would fall into this category right here. Question 7. A Lewis base donates an electron pair. OH- looks like it's electron rich, since it has a negative charge, so it can definitely donate some of its electrons. All the other options are Lewis acids because they are electron poor, hence electron pair acceptors. Question 8. A Bronsted-Lowry acid is a proton donor, while a Bronsted-Lowry base is a proton acceptor. This statement would be false. Question 9. The most stable structure would ideally have minimized formal charges on all atoms and full octets. So, the first option would be correct, because clearly that's not the case in any of the other options. Question 10. Potassium fluoride is ionic, while water is polar with dipoles. Hence, potassium fluoride dissolves in water because the K+ ion and the F- ion interact with water via ion-dipole interactions. Last but not least, looking at this picture, ChemCat definitely looks like an Azula. If you picked Bob, then please don't talk to us again. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the 30-question Exam 1 that will drop tomorrow on ChemCat's Etsy and TPT platforms for only $3.33. Answer key is included. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.